Who is it?
It's my friend.
Who is it?
It's my friend.
What's your profession?
I'm a teacher.
What's your profession?
I'm a teacher.
Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
How's the weather?
It is raining.
How's the weather?
It is raining.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
How was the party?
It was good.
How was the party?
It was good.
What's your favorite food?
I love burger.
What's your favorite food?
I love burger.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What is it?
It's fruits.
What is it?
It's fruits.
What are you doing?
I'm playing football.
What are you doing?
I'm playing football.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
How was your day?
It was good.
How was your day?
It was good.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
Who is he?
He's my grandfather.
Who is he?
He's my grandfather.
Do you have a car?
I have a car.
Do you have a car?
I have a car.
What's your job?
I am a student.
What's your job?
I am a student.
Do you live alone?
No, I'll live with my family.
Do you live alone?
No, I'll live with my family.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.